Hi everyone, in front of me I've got REALME Pad Mini and let me share with you how to set camera timer on this device. So first of all we have to open the camera app, of course give all the permissions. Okay. And here we are in the standard photo mode, so we have to go to the settings which are in the right upper corner, and right now let's find the photo settings. Right here on the third position we've got the countdown duration, which is simply the name of the timer. So let's tap on it, and as you can see we've got three different options. So the off option, 3 and 10 seconds delay. So let me pick 10 seconds delay. All you have to do is to just tap on it. It will be notified right here. So now we can go back to the camera. In the camera, unfortunately, I cannot see any information that we've got the timer. But after tapping on the shutter button, your device will count down from 10 or 3, depending on which option you've chosen. And after that time, it will simply take a photo. Yeah, so basically this is how it works. Of course, if you want to, you can turn it off. Just go back and pick off option, and from now on your device will take photos right after touching the shutter button. Alright, so basically that's all. This is how to set camera timer in your REALME Pad Mini. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.